I'm going to add some more elements to it, so I'm going to open up those tentacle pictures, file, open, and select this tentacle. Now this image is already being cut out for me, which is rather nice. So all I need to do is click on the quick select tool, but select the magic wand tool instead, which is this one down here. And then I can click on the checkered area, which is actually blank. Just get all that in this, in there, in there. Command C to copy, and then Command V to paste, and I've just done the wrong thing. I need to select inverse. So select inverse, Command C, Command V, and there we go, we've got tentacles. I'm just going to get rid of that layer. I'm going to get rid of it by clicking on it, holding down the mouse button and dragging it into the bin. And there we have it. So now I can move that, and I'm going to sort of make that the kind of tail of the chicken. And I'm going to duplicate it as well. So I'm going to have one coming out here. Let's go to Edit and Free Transform, or Control T. And if I move the cursor to the corners, but not directly in the corner, and you get this kind of bent arrow, if I click on that I can rotate it. So luckily I've chosen things that are quite tonally similar. So I'm just going to drag that in there. I'm going to right click on here, and I'm going to duplicate layer, which is here. Make a copy. So now I've got two versions of that. And edit, and I'm going to free transform it. What I'm going to do is also edit and transform and flip vertically. Oh, no, I'm not. Command Z if you want to undo that. I'm going to transform and flip horizontally. That's what I wanted to do. I'm going to make it a different size. I'm going to drag it in a little bit and get it over that. I'm going to edit, and this time on free transform I'm going to hold down the Alt key. Command Alt. Yeah, so the second Alt key. So you've got two Alt keys, and this one's allowing me to sort of distort it. So I'm just going to distort. I'm going to drag out. So I just want it a bit more, a slightly different, just so it looks a bit stranger. Bring it in this way a bit. Edit transform. I'm going to warp it as well. So when the warp comes on, it brings up this grid, and what you can do is start stretching it out. Which is really fun. So now I'm kind of playing around with the image, making it really kind of strange. And when I want to complete that, press enter. I don't want to try that now, close it. And then I'm going to do the same thing and kind of blend it in. So let's just drag that into position, go to my layer with the chicken, and just use the polygon lasso tool again, just to get rid of the stuff that I don't need. Control X, and let's drag it into position a bit more. Now I want that top, the tentacle over here, I want to put that on top. So I'm going to move that layer forward. I'm going to drag it up above. So now it's gone on top of that layer. And then I'm going to use the eraser tool. I'm just going to cut in there. Oops, got a bit overzealous. And just start blending it in. The same for this bit here. Oh, I need to go to my other layer, layer 4, and just work in and try and just get that blended in like so. and there you go.